guys. Yeah. Hello. So, clean. Paano ba? Na, Cleanhouse na namin ang lights ni Lablab to rest, to sleep kasi madaming ganap kaninang morning and hapon and kaka-okay ko lang. I mean, yeah, you don't know na nagka-fever ako kasi nga this is our first video. So, yeah, wala lang. I mean, yeah. Puro yeah. Thank you, Lablab, for taking care of me. May Lablab is so sleepy na pero kailangan ko pa rin uminom ng gamot. Yeah, stress tablet. You drink also. Here's my Lablab. BioFlu. After 2 minutes, stress tabs. Say hi, Lablab.
Hi,
What is your name?
my name is Brady.
So, guys, i-vlog ko lang how we like, live together, paano nagsimula ang story namin, and mine also. Oh, yeah. It's not a vlog, but it's a journey and adventure of the two of us na i-video ko pang araw-araw namin. So, walang i-share yung story namin na um, paano namin nalampasan despite of everything. Like, di pa muna now. Ikwento ko lang sa next video. Gusto ko lang i-share paano kami nakaka-survive sa pang-araw-araw, paano namin nalalampasan, pang everyday namin, paano kami nagiging okay sa lahat. And about sa relationship namin, we are not like girlfriend, boyfriend. We are more than that. Yeah, kasi nga balak na namin magpakasal, something like that. Yeah. Ang daming kong dada. What I mean is, we are partners. Partners for life. Some of, like, a friend namin nag, thank you, love. Thank you. Ngayon mag-rest na. I mean, some of our friends, No? No wanna eat banana. I wanna rest with you. Some of our friends na kinukuha kami mag-girlfriend, boyfriend. But kami, hindi namin in-address yung sarili namin ganun. So, i-vlog ko rin yung house namin para kami magsisimula para makasubaybay sa amin. I'll turn the fan, okay? Natamaan ka or not? Okay. Just hold muna para makita ka nila. You talk. What's your name?
I wanna sleep na. My love is so makulit. Making me speak here. I don't know what to say. Why yan ganyan na? I'm turning over the phone. My love. Good night.
Good night. Good night. Bye-bye. Good night. Say bye-bye.
Bye.
Bye-bye.